All right, so today we're going to be doing a network reset on the Bluetooth Kwikset Aurora lock. So what that's going to be is you're going to be removing all the Bluetooth pairings off of this lock. So this is a little bit tricky, but I'm going to walk you through the steps. So the first step is we're going to want to remove the back plate. After the back plate has been removed, and this just slides off, you're going to hold the A button here for 10 seconds. So we're going to hold it, and when you hear a beep, you're actually going to continue holding it until you see it flashing like an amber color down here on the bottom. All right, so we see it flashing amber, and then now we're going to click the program button, and there you go. If you get a red light there at the end on that bottom part, then I would say, hey, go through and do it again. But if you get that green light that appears at the very end, it's going to work. So just to walk you through it one more time, you're going to hold the A button for 10 seconds, and you'll see a blue light flash. When you see that blue light, you're going to hold it for 3 more seconds until you see the amber light appear. So the amber light appears, we let go, and then we click the program button, and then we get the green light letting us know that it's been reset. So that is a network reset on the Kwikset Aurora Smart Lock.